conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, very good evening for all. I hope you all are well and doing good. So guys, am I audible for you properly? Is also my screen visible for you? Kindly confirm. All right. So in the last session guys, we have discussed and completed the service transaction of sale and purchase in GST. If you have done practice for that, if you have any kind of confusion from the last session topic, then please let me know. All right, if you guys don't have any doubt, let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is here, inward supply of capital goods and supply of goods and service in same invoice. Let's see, if I talk about the inward supply of capital goods, inward supply means the purchase and the capital goods means the fixed assets. So basically, we will learn how we have to purchase the fixed asset in Tally. For that, you can take a look on the first point. In the first point, it is saying on 1st of the August, company purchased the machinery of rupees 50 lakh with the 12% GST from Tata Machinery Limited, a regular dealer of West Bengal. So here we are purchasing a machinery from the company. We have to pass a fixed asset purchase entry with GST. How we have to pass this entry? We can pass in the same way which we have done for the purchase of service. So what we have to do, we have to first create the machinery ledger. So go for the creation. Machinery will go under the fixed assets. GST we have to select as applicable. Set alter GST details. This option we have to yes. Here provide the details, the ledger name in the description, machinery. HSN number for the machinery is given here. You can use it. Nature of transaction. Basically, if you are purchasing the fixed asset or you are creating any of the fixed asset ledger under the GST, we have to select nature of transaction in that. In the nature of transaction, what we have to select, if you are purchasing this machinery from other state party, you have to select interstate purchase taxable. If you are purchasing within state, you just have to need to select purchase taxable. So we are selecting here purchase taxable. When you select the nature of transaction, it will ask you to select the nature of goods. So here we have to select capital goods, since the machinery is a capital goods, a fixed asset here. So basically in the fixed asset ledger creation, it is mandatory to select the nature of transaction. In other ledgers, we don't have any need for that, but in the fixed asset, we have to select. Then fill the percentage of tax 12% and it is done. Press enter and save it. In the type of supply, select goods. So this thing you have to do, guys, in the creation of ledger of the fixed asset under the GST. Kindly have a look on it. If you have any confusion, then kindly ask. All right, then simply save this one. Then create the ledger of the creditor to whom you are purchasing. That will go under the sundry creditors option. From West Bengal, regular dealer, GST number given here, used it. Details here, press Ctrl A to save. Now simply go for the purchase voucher and in the change mode option, select accounting invoice. We have to pass this entry in the same method which we have done for the purchase of service. Okay. Now here, put the date, 1st of the August. Invoice number is given here. We can use it. If we don't have, we can create our own. Then in the party account, select the party, Tata Machinery. Now here in the particulars, select the fixed asset ledger which we are purchasing. We are purchasing machinery. So select machinery here. It is asking for the inclusive GST. There is no inclusive. So press enter, skip that option. Fill the amount. The value of the machinery is 50 lakhs. So put 50 lakhs here. Then after that select CGST and as GST levels. The tax will be calculated here automatic, and we are done with this. If you want to check, you can press Alt A for the tax analysis, and here you can see. Just press enter, select new reference, make the bill, and save the entry. So this is how, guys, we can purchase the capital goods or the fixed asset under the GST and Tally software. If you guys have any confusion in this, then kindly ask. Which part you want to repeat? Anil, which part you want to repeat? Please let me know. All right, I'm repeating this purchase transaction once again. After creating the ledgers, we have to come in the purchase voucher. This entry of the fixed asset purchase, we have to pass in the same way which we have done for the purchase of service. We have to change the mode by Control H and select accounting invoice here. Then fill the transaction. The date is 1st August. Invoice number, fill that here. Party account, select the creditor. After that, select the ledger of the fixed asset. It is machinery. It is asking for the inclusive GST. We don't have any inclusive amount here, so skip that option, press enter. Then in the amount field, fill the entire value of the product. It is 50 lakhs. After that, select the GST ledgers, CGST and SGST. That's it. We have completed the purchase for entry. Now press enter. In the method of adjustment, select new reference, fill the bill number and save the transaction by typing narration. Now is that clear, guys? How we have to pass the fixed asset or capital goods purchase entry under the GST. All right, save this now. If you want to check, you can go for the reports. You can check the balance sheet here. Yeah, the fixed asset of machinery is coming here of 50 lakh value. The same thing you can check for the GST reports. If you can go in the GSTR2, you can find the details by changing the dates. Here you can see Tata Machinery transaction is available here. All right then. Guys, if you want to try this transaction entry by your own, you can let me know. Or also let me know if we should move on to the next topic. So guys, are you doing the all right, let's see the next. The next is on 1st August, company purchased 15 pieces HP desktop PC at 30,000 plus 18% GST by check of ICICI Bank. Check number is given here. So this time we are purchasing the stock item with GST in cash. We are paying by the check, but if you are paying by the check, if you are paying in cash, that purchase or sale will be counted as cash sale or purchase because we are paying the amount at the same time when we are purchasing. So let's see how we have to do this. First, we have to create the stock item of HP desktop PC. So simply go for the create option. Unit is pieces. GST is applicable. Details we have to yes. Description, product name, HSN number given here, we can use it. Calculation type on value, taxability should be taxable. Integrated tax is 18%. Save this. Now simply go for the purchase voucher. The date is 1st August. Invoice number we can create if it is not given. Party account. In the party account, you have to select cash or the bank. Since we are purchasing by check, so we will select bank here. After that, when you come in this option, party details, you have to select in the GST registration type registered here, the regular. Because if you don't select the regular in this option, the GST will not be calculated in this transaction. For that reason, we have to select a regular in the registration type. That's it. Select the stock item here. The one thing we have forget, we are in the accounting invoice mode. We are going to purchase the stock item. So we have to first change this mode to the item invoice. How we can change? Just press Ctrl H or click on the change mode option and select the item invoice here. That's it. Purchase ledger will be purchase. Stock item is HP desktop PC. We are purchasing here 15 pieces and the rate is given. The rate is 33,000. That's it. Select the CGST and the SGST. You can see GST is getting calculated here. EWA bill don't have need. Check number we can fill here. And that's it. This is how, guys, we can pass the purchase entry with GST if we are purchasing in cash or by the check. Kindly have a look on it. If you have any confusion, then ask. All right, guys, save this transaction. Let's see the next. The next topic is supply of goods and service in same invoice. Till this point, we have purchased the service or sell the service and also goods in the different invoices. Now this topic will show you how, if you have any condition in which service and goods both are coming for the sale or for the purchase, whatever it is, how we have to deal with that. You can see the third point. On 2nd of the August, company sold 10 pieces HP desktop PC at 38,000 plus 18% GST and charged 10,000 as installation charges plus 18% GST to Ultra Electronics Private Limited, regular dealer of West Bengal. So in this, what is going on? We are selling the desktop PC, our stock item, and we are also providing them installation service. Okay. So installation charges is our service, desktop PC is our stock item. Let's see how we have to do this. First, we have to create the ledger of the service and also the party ledger. So first, let's create the service ledger, installation charges. Simply go for the create option. Installation charges ledger you have to create. Under the indirect income it will go, because we are providing the service, we will get the money, so it will be our income. GST applicable, details, yes. Description, service name. HSN number is given here, just use it. Nature of transaction not applicable in this, it is only applicable in the capital goods or fixed assets. Taxability, we have to select a taxable. In the integrated tax, fill the percentage of tax, 18%, and save this. Type of supply, service. After that, create the party ledger, Ultra Electronics Private Limited. There will be sundry debtors from West Bengal, regular dealer. GST number given here, we can use it. GST details, make this option yes, press Ctrl A to save. Now go for the sale voucher. In the sale voucher, you have to come in the item invoice mode. Okay, so press Ctrl H and select the item invoice. Now put the date is 2nd August. Reference number, invoice number is available here. We can use it. Then party account, select the party, Ultra Electronics. In the sales ledgers, select sale. Select the stock item, HP desktop PC. Fill the quantity, 10 pieces. You can see two rate column is coming here. The first column is for inclusive of tax. If you have inclusive tax for stock item rate, you can fill it here. If you don't have, skip this. Put the rate in the normal rate column. It is 38,000. Then select end of list in the list of stock item. Where we select the GST ledgers, here we can also select the service ledger. So first select the installation charges. Put the amount, it is 10,000. Now select CGST and SGST. You can see the consolidated GST is coming here. If you want to check the tax details, just press Alt A. Here you can find the GST is calculated on the service and the goods both. The details we can see here. It is simple, just press enter. EV will no have need. Invoice number will come up here, and that's it. By this way, we can deal with the goods and services both in same invoice. Kindly have a look on it, guys. If you have any doubt, confusion in this, you can ask. So guys, is this topic clear for all? We have completed both of these topics. If you guys have any confusion in this, then let me know. If they are clear, then also let me know. All right. So guys, we have completed this. Should we now move on to the next topic, or you want to discuss in the next session or in the same session? All right, we will discuss the next topic in the next session. So guys, we have basically almost completed the GST. Only these two topics are remaining. POS and this one is reverse charge. Reverse charge and point of sale. These two topics are remaining only in the GST. So what you have to do, you have to guys practice for all the GST topics which we have completed till now. So that if you face any kind of issue or doubt, you can ask that in the next session. Is that clear? All right. If you guys want, you can practice for the day 19 assignment and docs. Okay then guys, see you in the next session. Kindly don't forget do the practice. Bye bye. Take care.